Hello and good morning. It's morning for us anyways. The birds are 6 weeks old and 1 day today. And they are looking healthy and happy, and they're just thriving over here. Here they are. Oh, look at, they still have a little bit of food left. A little bit of water left.
Hey, look, they got their food wet.
Oh, it's right on the seam. That's why it got wet in there. Oh, look at it, and they knocked down a light.
What,
Right.
they did?
Yeah, we had to pick that up.
Oh, I got a giant scoop of
You have a ton of water left. You got a giant scoop of food? Show the camera your giant scoop of food.
What?
Show the camera your giant scoop of food. Oh, yeah. Good job. Okay, let me pull these out. Do not peck me.
Do not
All right, here.
come up.
You can fill that up. Oh, Loretta wants to help.
I can let Loretta help.
Riker can use them too. Good job, Riker. I like your backpack.
Thank you.
What do you got in there?
Swords, knives, guns.
Looks like you have some toys.
Yeah. I can let Loretta do a few more. One more big scoop. Yeah, well, one more big scoop.
Careful, try not to get out of the bucket, okay?
I'm not trying to. Hey, Riker.
Good job.
Hey, Mom, I think over there's a poop area.
Yeah, I see that. Over there too, it looks like those two spots.
Yeah.
Right where we have to go for the light.
Yep.
And just a couple minutes of being outside, the sun came out. Still cloud cover, but it is so pretty out here today. Look at this. Oh, it's the best. We're supposed to get not thunder, but rain showers throughout the day. Look at those pretty birds. They are super excited for food. They love food. Anyways, we'll check on them in just a little while. No, don't put that in the water. Oh. She put food in the water. Yeah. Looks prettier now, huh? Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.